Hello Project Rec fans, look! Sun! How about that? Who knew, eh? Who knew? Anyway, so day 2. Day 1 had a few problems. We basically ran out of the wood preserver, so there wasn't a chance to really move anything last night, and also we just couldn't get anybody up for helping us yesterday. But today we've apparently got 4 or 5 people going to come around and give us a hand today. So Amazon, God bless them, just delivered another bottle of the Seeker, and so I'm very pleased to say that here is the finished main body of the shed. So just take you through. This one's a floor panel here. There's 2 of them. They butt up together. Then you've got 2 gable ends. This one here, which has the door in it. You can just see the base of the door there. One underneath is just plain. So you put up, and then these are the other 2 side panels. These are the blank side panels, and then this upside down here is a window panel, as is that. So it's essentially it's a very simple design. It's window panel, gable end, blank panel, gable end. Simple as that. The roof is where it gets a bit more interesting, and that's going to be a little bit more fun to build, I think, but we will see what happens. We also have the tiger felt, made from 100% real tigers, and yeah, we also got the OSB board yesterday, got delivered. This is going to go inside the shed, and then we've also got, this is insulation, keep the shed nice and toasty. Well, I say nice and toasty, keep the edge off in the shed, basically. But this is a very thin, it's essentially bubble wrap with silver on it, and because the shed's quite big, extra box of that. And then those are half of the floor tile order, the rest of it hasn't arrived yet, and that's basically it. So from the end of day 2, unless I put a camera on the shenanigans that are going to happen this evening, that'll probably be it for day 2. And tomorrow, when the weather is atrocious, we're going to see how it is. There's thunderstorm warnings and basically rain all day, so I think we're going to be building on Thursday instead, and hope to get it done in 4 days instead of 6. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, stay frosty, and we'll see you soon. Bye.